Welcome to my live section right about now. Please can you hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the YouTube channel right about now. We are at the Honor Terminal. This is one of the gigantic terminals in the southern region. Right about now, we can see what we are seeing. This is Founders Entrance. You see, ancient out of hope. Look at them in this water, enjoying themselves. Beautiful people, children, playing, having fun in their own city, in Okrika. That's how we do it. Talk out of Lagos, talk out of Port Harcourt right about now. What's the name of this game? Abele. But hey, come on. Gentlemen, we are at Nambe Park, JT Park. This is where you can see a lot of boats going to different islands. As I was saying, this is Lagos bus stop in Lagos, in Portharcourt city. So that's how we do it. The first Yoruba mosque in Portharcourt. This is the first Yoruba mosque in Portharcourt, located in Victoria Street. Yes, that's me doing it. So we are in Portharcourt. Let me take you on the view. I want to take you guys to the pool. We're still doing the hotel tour in Portharcourt. Hello, hi. Yeah, this is the name of the hotel, Sweet Spirits. Second night in Portharcourt. Having a cup of coffee. Right about now, this is Portharcourt day 2, and we're trying to explore what's going on in Portharcourt. Right about now, we're heading out, and this is the way out of the hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Right about now, I'm in One in Portharcourt. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Right about now, I'm about to go into this lovely meal before I kickstart the day. You see, this is the plantain, so soft, diced. You see, this is the beans. It's called porridge beans. Porridge beans. These are my full soft bread with rice on it. Section right about now. Please can you hit that subscribe button, doing it. Bread. This is gonna be a good day. Bread and beans. So yummy. This in the morning and tonight. So in the morning we are trying to eat. You have to eat very well.
If you're watching YouTube for the first time, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Right about now, we are at the Hornet Terminal. This is one of the gigantic terminal in the southern region. You know, after Lagos, this is the second best terminal in Nigeria. And this particular terminal was coined out of the need. It was coined out of the need to transport the coal from Owerri, Enugu, down to this point for taking out of the country. And these ports hold a significant history in the maritime industry because the first shipload of consignment that was exported out of Nigeria was from this particular region in the year 1958. And the southern region that time was the person that Lord Lugard named this particular port. Lord Lugard 1913, you know, 1913 that they named this particular point. On a point is a very big one, you know. Stick with me, show you the sight and sound of Port Harcourt city, you know, on a port. You know, after Lagos, the next volume is on in the heart of Port Harcourt, and it was coined out of the need to transport coal out of Nigeria. And they named this particular state Port Harcourt in the year 1913, but it was actually built in the year 1912. And a lot of multinational companies reside in these premises, and there are 4 local governments. Stick with me and show you the sight and sound of Port Harcourt. Look at the ships and vessels over there. I don't pass that place. I don't see that place that share. But that river, I never see that river. Look at this bus, where they go. Okay, I don't reach here now, but you don't go fit pass like this now. I just say go fit pass straight. Okay, if you pass straight down. Okay. I don't pass it before. I see. Gentlemen, this is the Okrika Bridge in the heart of Port Harcourt. It's a very small bridge in between that a car or a bike can pass it. You can see very tiny road. You see them. I have to stop my bike to take this video. A lot of kids are playing over there. We're going there now. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now we can see what we are seeing. This is Founders Entrance. You see, ancient out of Okrika. Abi, Oga, where we dey? Awelembri. We dey where? Awelembri.
site park, pier, and the other facilities for the cultural, socio-economical rejuvenation and modernization of the Koniju Kingdom in Okrika. See, it's a very big restaurant. See, Amakurombo Owukolo. See, it's like a beachfront out of Okrika in Port Harcourt. Look at that building. Look at how they beautify this place. So nice. This is a beach. You can tell you are. Why? Lazo. Hey. They're showing their skills. But you collect money, you don't enjoy yourself. Lazo. This is Okrika. You can see Okrika. This is Okrika. We are active. Lazo. Let's go. Who's active? Active. Oh yeah. Man, looking at this, it's really blew my mind. Seeing like you guys can enjoy in every part of Nigeria. Like now in Okrika, you can see I enjoy myself. I enjoy myself in Okrika, and I'm seeing a lot of beautiful people around, and everybody's enjoying themselves. You know, this is a beach. I think they did a beach. Like Nigeria is so beautiful, like so beautiful. You know, look at everybody here. Look at in this water. Look at them in this water, enjoying themselves. You know, beautiful people, children. You know, playing, having fun in their own city, in Okrika. That's how we do it. Talk out of Lagos, talk out of Portharcourt right about now. We're doing it, making it work. You know, a small beach in the heart of Okrika. Let go. This is one of the champion here. Beat me 2 times. This guy, from Obaito. What's the name of this game? Abele. But na draft, na. But they call it Abele. Okay, in Okrika language.
Yes,
Abele.
While in English,
Draft. What is this game they teach person first? For you?
It's all about the mindset.
Make you know how to play your game right, Abi?
Calculate yourself. When you enter corners, how you calculate yourself, come out.
In the Okrika community. We're out of Portharcourt, we're going to get a boat going to Portharcourt city, but now we're in Okrika. If you go back, if you go back. Hey, come on, come on. Wait now, wait. Yeah, we're at the banks of the river. You can see we want to get the boat going to Port Harcourt. Some people just came and we're about to hop on a boat. Stick with me for this exciting journey. Look at people just came all the way from Port Harcourt. So we're going there. We're doing it. This is Port Harcourt for you. Let's go. One thing about here is, like, you know, Port Harcourt is like a riverine area. So there are a lot of boats, transportation here and there. So we are in Okrika right about now. We want to go to Port Harcourt city. Let's go. So this is where we get the bus going to. The expansion of rehabilitation of Okrika ATC jetty and pavilion was commissioned by His Excellency Boti Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambuwa CFR, Governor of Sokoto State, on the 26th day of August 2016. God be the glory. 9 years after, and it's still working. 9 years after, and it's still working. You see, it's working. Everything is working. You can just be on your jetty and table tennis going on. Drink somewhere there. Ask the bar over there. You can see the bar. See, this is where they do the table tennis. They do the table tennis. See the table tennis. Table tennis over there. What's wrong? So you can see this is how we do it. Wow. About time for the boat. About time for the boat. Let's keep up going. It's time for the boat. Let's go for the boat. We're entering the booth. Let's go. Let's go get on the boat right about now. Yeah, it's quite sunny. You see some of them just come out of the boat. You can see
go climbing. Portharcourt, eh? I don't video you. Oh well, you see, it's very beautiful, man. We're going to up on the boat. See, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Nambe Park, JT Park. This is where you can see a lot of boats going to different islands, Bonny Island and the rest. See, this is like a boat park. See them. Portharcourt is very huge in its maritime businesses. You can see a lot of jetty parks here and there. They have like 3 jetty parks. There's the Marine Base jetty park, there's the Main Bay jetty park. Different, because there are a lot of villages that they have to take boats. So like I came all the way from Kokrika by boat. A lot of Hausa people too in Portharcourt. Different mosques here and there. I prayed. One of the traditional foods of Portharcourt people is the roasted body and roasted yams, which make them very strong. They're very strong in these maritime operations and all. You can see. Yeah. They also sell wood. Wood business too is very huge here. Wood business is very huge in Portharcourt. Now we are in the bus of Lagos, and we're going to Lagos bus stop in Portharcourt. Can you see how funny is that? And right about now, this community is called Ibeto community, and there's a seaport at the end of the community.
Lagos smoothly. No panic at all. And so in Lagos, we're in Port Harcourt, but we're heading to Lagos bus stop in Port Harcourt. Yeah. I know. Chama, what do you have this bus stop? Chama, what do you have this bus stop? Lagos bus stop. That's we did Lagos. This is Lagos bus stop. Dug out of Lagos right about now in the art city of Port Harcourt, and we are in Lagos bus stop. In Lagos, we're going. I love Skylark, you know. The Lagos bus stop today, so. Let's go. But we are in Port Harcourt, but this is Lagos bus stop in Port Harcourt City. What about now? Come here, Joe. Come there. Wait, where we there? A Lagos boy, where you there? A Lagos with me. A Lagos inside Port Harcourt. So, come here now, come. Give the work. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Lagos in Port Harcourt right about now. This is Lagos bus stop in out of Port Harcourt City. I dug out of Lagos in Port Harcourt City. I don't know. Wow, this is exciting to see that your own city, your own state is in somebody else's town, you know, in his own state. This is Lagos bus stop right about now. Let go. Lagos. What about now? We're in Lagos. Let's see what's going on in Lagos. Lagos in Port Harcourt. This is Lagos bus stop in Port Harcourt. So that's what it is. Lagos in Port Harcourt City. As I was saying, this is Lagos bus stop in Lagos in Port Harcourt City. So that's how we do it. Sight and sound of Port Harcourt City, formed by the British colonial masters. Still thriving after they left. City. Walking down the street of Port Harcourt right about now. Some people say, are you not afraid they will come and steal your phone? No. The way you look, one should see that this guy is an elderly person, a young man being trying to walk inside the sun, and you want to come out, no, like right. They are hardworking people. Despite different tribes and ethnic groups, we are hardworking people, you know. Look at me talking to my camera, walking down the street, you know, to know that, yeah, I'm hustling. I want to get 1 million views, you know what I'm saying? Like, so we're doing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first Yoruba mosque. The first Yoruba mosque in Port Harcourt. This is the first Yoruba mosque in Port Harcourt, located in Victoria Street. Yes, we're on our way. Let go. See, this is Port Harcourt. You can see. Okay, let's go. We're heading out. We're going to afar. We're going to Ring Road. Ring Road, here we come. Dun 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 dun. Doing it, pum 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 pum. So, gentlemen, we're going to Ring Road. There's this hotel I want to check out. This was my first hotel in Port Harcourt City. So I want to just want to see what's going on over there. Sometimes you need to see what's going on. Seems nice. Look. Indians are playing their cricket game. See? Sweet swimming pool. Sweet swimming pool. Ooh. Sweet swimming pool. Ooh. Gentle. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Port Harcourt Lotus Hotel. Beautiful garden. Secure estate. The lounge. Completed this place look all sorts of things in here. You know, chill.
We worship you in spirit and in truth, for our God seated as such to worship him. A time is coming, and now is that time. When
Suya Lane. You can see all that coaches, freshly made, very close to Lagos bus stop. See? Suya bus stop. Let's go. All this lane now, you see. Oh, suya. Suya leaf. All sorts of suya delicacy. Suya delicacy. So, it's about what's been of this bus stop.